Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special and sunny day.
Yes, it is. Are you ready for your first day, Anna?
I do not know, Mom. I feel a little bit scared. School is fun, Anna. You will learn and play fun games.
Alex is right. You will make many new friends very soon.
Let us eat a big breakfast. You need energy for school.
This toast is very good, Dad. Thank you for making breakfast.
You are welcome, Alex. Drink your milk, Anna. It helps you. It helps you.
Thank you, Dad. I will try to eat all my food.
Take your time, sweetheart. We still have plenty of time today.
I remember my first day of school. I was nervous too.
Were you really scared, Grandpa? You are always so very brave.
Yes, I was. But I met a nice friend that day.
See? You will meet someone nice too. It is very easy. I hope so. I packed my favorite crayons in my bag.
That is a great idea. You can draw beautiful pictures together.
Okay, it is time to go. Grab your bags and coats.
Wait, my tummy feels funny. I do not want to go.
Come here, Anna. Let us sit down and talk for a minute.
I want to stay home with you and Lucky all day. What if I miss you, Mom? Will you think of me?
I will think about you every single minute of the day. And I will be waiting right here when you come back.
Do you promise you will be here when school is over?
I promise, my brave girl, I will give you a hug.
We are all so proud of you, Anna. You can do it.
I will take a deep breath. I am ready now.
Hold my hand, Anna. We will walk to school together now.
Okay, Mom. The weather is very bright and beautiful outside today.
Have a great day, girls. Learn a lot of new things.
Goodbye, Anna. Have fun and do not forget to smile today.
Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Alex. I will see you later this afternoon.
Look at the big trees, Anna. They are so green today.
Yes, they are. I like walking with you in the morning.
School is a place to grow, just like those tall trees.
Will I learn how to read big books? At my school?
Yes, you will. You will learn to read many wonderful stories.
I love stories. Grandpa always reads the best stories to me.
Now you can read stories to him when you come home.
That is a very good idea. I will read to him.
Look, we are here. Do you see the big school building?
Wow, it is very big. There are so many children here.
Take a deep breath. Remember that you are a brave girl.
I am brave. I have my yellow bag and my crayons. Hello, Lily. My name is Anna. Thank you very much. Do you want to play with me? We can draw pictures. Yes, I want to play. I have many bright crayons inside.
See, Anna? You already have a wonderful new friend to play with.
You were right, Mom. School is not scary at all today.
I am so happy for you. Have a great time, sweetie. Meow.
Thank you for walking with me, Mom. I love you so much.
I love you too, Anna. I will see you very soon.
Come on, Anna. Let us go inside and find our classroom. Okay, Lily, let us go. Goodbye, Mom. Have a good day.
Goodbye, Anna. Have fun. And be a good listener for the teacher.
Goodbye, Anna. We will draw more beautiful pictures tomorrow. See you.
The school bell is ringing. It is time to go home.
This is going to be a very happy and fun day. Goodbye, Lily. I will see you tomorrow for more fun games.